In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to link Monopoly Go accounts. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Linking your Monopoly Go account is extremely important. This will help you recover the account if you change phones or uninstall the game, and it can be done easily. You can link your Monopoly Go account to a variety of other platforms, and to do this, open the game, sign into your account, go into the menu at the top right corner of the screen, so tap these three lines, and then go into the settings. Now you will find manage account at the bottom, and here you will see the main ways in which you can connect your account. The two that are really relevant to making sure that your account is safe and backed up are going to be Facebook and Google Play, or if you are using an iOS device, it is going to be related to Apple. So all that you have to do here is link your account to either of these. You can subscribe to their email address here and link with your contacts, but this isn't going to be needed. It is optional, and even though they give you some extra rewards, like I said before, it isn't going to be crucial for you to recover your account. So if all you want to do is make sure that your account is safe and backed up, I recommend using either Facebook or Google Play. So I already have Google Play connected, so I'm going to tap on Facebook to show you what this looks like. You will be redirected into the Facebook application to finish this connection. So once you go into Facebook and you select the option to connect your account, it is going to be authorized and linked to Monopoly Go. Afterwards, this will update to disconnect. And of course, in the future, if you ever want to sign into your account again, when you open the game, choose the option to use Facebook or alternatively Google Play or the Apple equivalent service, and you will be able to sign into the account using that other external service, which in turn has all of your details backed up, and your account will be safe with all of your progress transferred over. So it is easy to set up, and all of it can be done inside of the game when you access the menu. I hope I was able to help you on how to log into Monopoly Go and link Monopoly Go accounts. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.